Welcome back. We're at the ocean. Just kidding. I'm actually next to Kuna's butthole right here. There's lots of flies flying around it. Somebody's dumped a bunch of trash in there. We did go to the ocean. We did go to Crescent City. It was beautiful. We saw the trees of mystery. I didn't make a nature show out of it because it was a road trip, you know. Father-daughter road trip. 1,200 miles. We made it all the way there, all the way to Crescent City and back. We froze our butts off in Bend at the Tumalo campground. Got down to 28 degrees, it was cold. But anyways, we went to 3 different beaches. We got all sorts, it was good. But I didn't want to make it a nature show. Anyways, I'm gonna go down there in the butthole. There's a bunch of trash down there. It's a fucking nature show! Well, here we go. Wish me luck. If I don't ever come back out, you'll know why. Well, I made it. It's creepy. It's creepy down here in Kuna's butthole. I feel like something is gonna come out at any moment. And the sound. Tired. Wow. It is creepy. I don't know what you guys can see, but it freaks me out. I don't know what's in here. A lot of hieroglyphs from the years. It's a crazy place. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was very short because this place freaks me out by myself. I feel like there's something in there. I want to go farther, but I need somebody else. This place makes you hear things, you know, that you don't hear. Anyways, got a new shirt on the website. Go check it out. It's a fucking nature show. Oh. Oh. Smells like butt.